Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So, how do you buy meme coins on Tron? Well, Tron is actually one of the best platforms to buy meme coins from. So, a bunch of platforms out there, but on Tron, it's really quite simple. So, first and foremost, we're going to need to. Oh, by the way, before we begin, just make sure that your wallet is already connected to the basically your purchasing apparatus here. So on Tron, you can just basically click on search, search the meme coin here. There's meme tune, meme network, Trump meme. So yeah, you can basically click on this one. Just wait for it to load a little bit here. As you can see, that's why a lot of people love meme coin, because look at the fluctuation here on the spectrum. It's just downhill on first couple of first couple of hours, but then look at the surge here on the top when it reached to 4 p.m. basically. So yeah, the status is very good when it comes to meme coin. So let's just purchase this via Binance, and or you could just try OKX, but let's just use Binance. So after that, you can just go ahead and click on purchase, and there you have it. So one of the most significant advantages using Tron is its basically low transaction fees. Okay, so meme coins are often traded in large quantities due to their low individual token prices, like these ones on blockchain like Ethereum. So as we all know, Ethereum, where gas chain, basically gas fees, can spike to tens or even thousands of dollars. So during periods of high network activity like this one, buying or trading meme coins can quickly become unprofitable. Okay, so Tron, on the other hand, maintains a minimal transaction fees on often just fractions of a cent. So this makes Tron an ideal for meme coin traders. So well, basically, if you want to make frequent trades like this one, or experiment with a small investment without losing significant portion basically on fees alone. So for example, on Ethereum, is basically a $10 trade might incur basically $20 gas fee, but on Tron it's basically the same, like $10 trade could incur basically as low as 0.1 cents dollars. Okay, so speed is very crucial when trading meme coins due to their price volatility. Tron's network processes transactions in seconds. So thanks to its delegated proof of stake, basically the DPAO, basically DPoS. So consensus mechanism, so which allows for rapid block confirmations. So basically, compared to Ethereum, or in this case, the other basically blocks out there, is where the transactions can make basically take minutes or even longer during congestions. So Tron ensures your trades are executed almost instantly. So this speed is especially valuable in fast-moving meme coin markets. Like you can see it fluctuating in a matter of basically minutes, as you can see on the graphs. So where delays can mean missed opportunities or unfavorable prices fluctuation changes. So yeah, Tron has a well-established ecosystem of decentralized applications, the DApps, so and tokens as well. So many of these cater to the DFI and meme coins niches, basically. So just like the ones that we purchased via Bitcoin, basically, the one that we purchased via the Tron here. Several meme coins are native to Tron as well, so blockchain, making it easier for users to find and trade these assets directly without relying on bridges or cross-chain swaps, basically. So in addition, Tron basically supports interoperability with basically blockchains, allowing you to access meme coins from different ecosystems while also enjoying the benefits of its basically low fees and high speed, basically. So its architecture is basically designed to handle a high volume of transactions without significant slowdown. So this scalability makes it reliable choices for meme coin trading, like we just did. We just bought it from here using Tron. So where market activity can surge dramatically due to viral trends and all of that, or social media type hype. Okay, so for example, during a meme coin pump, thousands of traders may rush to buy or sell simultaneously. So it's the this website's ability to process up to 2,000 transactions per second. Can you imagine that? It basically ensures the network remains functional and efficient during these peaks, basically. Okay, so yeah, making mechanism allows users to earn rewards while participating in the network's governance skill. Okay, so by staking TRX, you can also generate energy and bandwidth with which can use to be offset transaction with customer further. Okay, so this feature is basically particularly appealing for frequent traders, so as it reduces costs over time and provides an additional incentive to hold TRX in your wallet. So I personally don't hold TRX in my wallet, but additionally, Tron's DPoS conscientious basically mechanism is more energy efficient compared to traditional work of proof of work basically systems. And yeah, so as long as just look at the graph here, as long as the trade-off is not going downhill, or just basically the buy surge is basically not that bad, and you could just basically do the usual process of trade-off, or you could just basically buy it via meme coin. Basically, look at this fluctuation here, but it's all positive at the end spectrum here. So again, it really all boils down to how you basically playing your cards right, because basically, as we all know, cryptocurrency fluctuates. Okay, so yeah, that's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.